train your English voice to use but and or in sentences. Conjunctions are words that we use to link two sentences together to make one longer sentence. There are many different conjunctions, but today we will be looking at but and or. So both of these words can combine two sentences with opposite ideas. For example, the debater didn't convince me to believe him, but he did explain his point very well. And did the debater convince you to believe him, or are you still standing on your point? Now let's have a look at some more examples. The inventor wants to launch his new product, but he's not sure when. Or did the inventor launch his new product or not?